Hey everybody, Mrs. Lemmo here. I just want to share a great tool we're using in our media center this year, and it's going to be rolling out to the teachers also. It's called Get Epic. It's an online program that has thousands of books our students can read. In fact, we used it today in our 3-4 class to use stories with our compassion project on empathy, mindfulness, and sharing compassion with others. So this is a great way for you to access these books free at home, tons of fiction and nonfiction books. So what is Epic? Well, like I said, it has 25,000, if not more, high-quality fiction and nonfiction books for kids under 12. It includes personalized recommendations for children based on preferences and abilities. So Epic has some great aspects to it. It's something I can use in the classroom. I can create reading lists and assign them to the students based upon topic or themes. Thousands of nonfiction books, popular and award-winning titles, and they love it. In fact, I had numerous students today, 4th and 3rd, both boys and girls, ask if we could do it again tomorrow. So when you're in the app or on the online feature, you can go on recommendations, you can browse, the students can favorite books, they can go to their mailbox, to the projects that I've shared with them, the list that I've created. When you're within the story, if you click on words, it brings up definitions, says the words for you. There's also thousands of read to me and audiobooks. Read to me books actually have the book and images, and it highlights the words as they read, or they have audiobooks where there's no actual picture or book to look at. It just is an audio clip of the entire story. Like I said, you can find books by category, subject, author, and more. Students' reading logs can be tracked for reading progress. I will be sending evites to those of you that I have email addresses for to link in. You're going to be using our class code, which I will give you and share on the class dojo, the code to put in to sign in. And when they put in the code, then they pick their name. Make sure they pick their name and not the grade, so it records it for that student and not the grade. Or you can buy a subscription for yourself at home. Each month, they also have a calendar that they put out that if you look on the date, like today, it says tomorrow is Smile a Day. So read a book that makes you smile, since today is October 4th. So like I said, there's so many advantages to using Epic. We are doing the Pizza Hut Book It Challenge, where each month they fill out the calendar and return it and get a free Pizza Hut coupon. They could use this program at home to do the reading every night to earn their free ticket for coupon for pizza. Also, we have a read-a-pillar hanging up in our classroom where as we read, we reach goals. And actually today, in just one day, we reached our 50 goal book mark. So I can print the 2 areas and put on our reading caterpillar to grow all the way up to 1,000 books by the end of the year. So reading at home will count towards our books. There are so many different One and Only Ivan. There's even Build It, Bake It, Make It series. There is Caring for Pets. There's tons of different topics. There are even some homework help that if you need to look up things, it will help you. So what will you read today? I highly suggest you sit down with your child at home and get on Epic.